Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a collab with Abbie Danielle. I'll leave her linked in the description, but she has an amazing channel and we're both going to do autumn makeup looks. So make sure to check her out after watching this video, but yeah, I'll leave her linked in the description. If you guys could please like this video and subscribe, and let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm first gonna start with my eyebrows, I think. By the way, if you hear any background noise, I've got my windows open because I'm literally not trying to die in the heat of the lighting. Oh, and I fixed my lighting, by the way, and I got new lighting, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows with I'm gonna do my eyes, but I don't really have much to do with them because I'm gonna keep it more natural in the eyes and do a dark lip. So I'm just gonna take some concealer and pop it on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm just gonna set that. This is the only palette I'm gonna use today, just because I can't be asked to dip into loads, because I'm gonna keep it natural anyway. So I'm using the Revolution Soap X. Whoopsie. Soap X palette, and I'm gonna set it with these two. Like, I'm gonna mix them together because I feel like the white one's a bit too light. I'm gonna take these two shades and mix them to create a transition shade. Okay, I'm gonna then just take this color, just this shade, on like a smaller blending brush and just focus it more on my crease to darken things up a little bit. And I'm just going to take some eyeliner. I bought it recently, I kind of do like it, but this is the Maybelline Something Precise, Hyper Precise All Day. It's literally like a really thin tip, so I kind of like it. I'm going to just look down in a mirror so that I can like get my whole eyelid, like so I can look at all of it, and then just draw the beginning in. I've got the beginning down, I'm just going to do the end and then I'm going to join them together. So I'm just going to look down again and just draw the wing. Okay, so I'm going to just put some mascara on now. This is, I mean, you can all guess because what else do I use? Gigi Hadid. I mean, I always say Gigi Hadid. I literally bought like 4 of these because they were on sale because no one liked her collection. Anyway,
Why?
Like literally she came out with a Maybelline collection and like no one bought it because it was
really expensive.
Do you know why? Because it's the same products but she just overpriced them because her name was in it. Like, this is literally the Lash Sensational mascara, but it was like £2-3 more for no reason. But because they all went on sale, I bought them because I love the Lash Sensational. They just have her name on it. I'm just gonna coat them. Also, this is why I love eyeliners, because like, if you get mascara on your lid, it usually is like covered by the eyeliner, so you know you love that. Are you guys excited for the winter season? Well, autumn season?
I know. We should go to a Halloween party.
If I do end up going to like a Halloween party or like to a club for Halloween, I'm definitely gonna get ready on camera. By the way, guys, you can totally put lashes on, but as you know, I'm too lazy to do that, so I'm just gonna go with the mascara. I feel like lashes would really elevate this look because with a dark lip, I do love lashes. I also need to buy more lashes. Like, if you guys have suggestions for like kind of like long, wispy, natural, more natural looking lashes, let me know in the comments, because I'm literally struggling. Like, every time I buy lashes, they either look really like fake or they don't make a difference. So I need like an in-between, you know. I struggle. So now that that's done, I'm going to do my bottom lashes afterwards when I do my foundation, because I need to do like a bit of eyeshadow as well. Here's my idea. First of all, let me prime my skin. I'm going to use these 2 primers. Alright, so what I'm going to do is mix these 2 foundations. I haven't used this one in a while. I'm still trying to make it work with me, but like sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Why?
So because I have dry skin, like it's really full coverage, so I'll mix it. So I'm using the Marc Jacobs Remarkable, well, let me just do this, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation and the Makeup Forever HD. This one's a bit darker because I'm a bit more tanned, and this one's really light, so I'm just going to mix them together. So I'm just going to mix them on the back of my hand, which is a bit difficult because the wand is really annoying. Alright, so I'm just going to take a beauty blender and blend that out. So now I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to use some RCMA No Colour powder and just put it on my hand.
How much is that powder?
It's literally £15 for the whole thing.
From where?
Beauty Bay. Okay, now because we want to add a bit more dimension into our faces and not look like a ghost, I'm going to take my NARS Laguna bronzer. You know, it's looking like it's had enough of me, but you know, we're going to just keep using it. And I'm going to take the brush. It comes with just a NARS Vita brush. Just going to suck my cheeks in and like half contour, half bronze. Now, I know this is weird for me, but I'm actually going to use some blush just because I feel like I don't want to look too white and I feel like the dark lipstick will wash me out, so I want to add some colour to my cheeks. So I'm using this Narcissist palette. This is the Wanted One palette. I think I'm going to mix these two shades, which is really hard to know. Right, so it's this one and this one. So I think I'm using Buzz and Kingpin, I'm pretty sure. It's just these two. So I'm going to take this on I'm going to use an actual Real Techniques blush brush and just mix the two. Tap it off, and this is what I like to do with my blush. I learned this is the only way I like to do it. So I just put it up here and then bring it down. See? Let me finish off my eyes first. So I'm going to go back into the Surf X palette and I'm going to dip into those two transition shades that I used. Now I'm gonna just pop some mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, so final step, no, not final steps, penultimate step. I know, big words. I'm gonna take this sleek highlighting Solstice palette. I think that's what it is. Yeah, the Solstice highlighting palette. And I'm gonna take my highlighter brush, which is just this big Morphe brush, and I think I'm gonna dip into all three of these ones. Just gonna mix them together and pop it on. I haven't used this highlighter palette in a hot minute, and I forgot how nice it was. So I'm gonna take this MAC liquid lipstick. This isn't my favorite formula, but I feel like you can make it work, but I do like the color, so I'm gonna use it's a retro matte liquid lips color, whatever, in the shade High Drama. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a like. Also go subscribe to Abbie and watch her video. It will be linked below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.